Let's build a full website in under 60 seconds. Yes, faster than making coffee. And trust me, if you've ever tried building a website the traditional way, you'll appreciate this magic. Hostinger currently powers over 9.5 million websites worldwide, so clearly they're doing something right. All right, let's start. Step 1, open Hostinger's AI website builder. You'll see a simple little box asking what your website is about, kind of like texting your friend, except this friend actually helps. Type something like, "I need a clean website for my fitness coaching business." Now watch what happens. This is where Hostinger shows off. In a few seconds, your entire website is ready. Layout, colors, images, text, all done automatically. And no, this is not one of those boring templates you've seen everywhere. This is real AI creating a unique website from scratch while you just sit there and enjoy life. Look at how it does the coding in the background while you sit back and relax. In a few moments, you will have a brand new website. You can edit anything, text, images, colors, as easily as editing a document. Once you're happy, click publish and boom, your website is live globally. This is why beginners love Hostinger. It removes 90% of the hard work and makes you look like a tech genius. You are not. I know, Hostinger is. If you want to try Hostinger yourself, I've added my link in the description. You get a discount for using my link, and it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Save this video, more quick tutorials coming soon.